Hello everyone. It looks like it is the first attempt for silver and nickel to top. If you look at silver, here, right? January 15, it hit this parallel line, channel, small channel, then got rejected, right? Ideally, my take is it's gonna correct at least to here, $80, which is the uptrend line, right? And the big question is, will it hold, right? So we have a reasonable chance silver may have topped. First attempt. So if this line breaks, to me, it's going to correct, right? But if it holds, right, then we have a chance to go back maybe $100 or above. So this week, coming week, is very important. It is especially bearish, especially if you look at this bearish diversion, right? Price has been rising for a few weeks, but the indicator has been declining, right? And not only that, we have many bearish signs, right? The biggest one to me is this guy, right? This bearish crap is still there, right? So it's a matter of time, either coming week, this week, or we may have already started, right? This may be the top, right? Or it gets support here, it make one more bounce toward $100 and then start correction, right? And then, oh, here too, right? So this, we have these lines converging here, right? We have this breakout line and this uptrend line is converging January 20, right? So coming week. So this one is very interesting. It went above these two breakout line, right? So it looks like a breakout, but will it hold, right? It's very important, right? If it cannot hold, it's a fake out, right? False move. So next week, coming week is very important. Okay. That's for silver. And nickel is very similar. This guy. Look at this. Look at last week, right? It made a high, higher high, and then closed lower with huge volume, right? It looks like exhaustion top, right? Compared with other weeks' volume, it's huge, right? But it is not confirmed because it's still holding above this uptrend line. The same story, right? Will it hold, right? Will it continue hold above this uptrend line? Then, despite this bearish sign, the uptrend continues, right? But if it breaks, then it's going to start correction, right? Especially it has this bearish pattern. There's a possibility of going up to here, but here, right? Still bearish, right? So we need to watch here this week whether this uptrend holds. If it holds, it may go back up, right? This way, 20 or 21,000. And it also has a bearish diversion, right? Meaning, I think even we can see in weekly, the price has been rising, right? But the indicator has been falling, right? So bearish diversion. So silver and nickel are very similar story, right? So this coming week is very important. In summary, if it holds the above the uptrend line, the uptrend continues. If not, it's going to start correction, right? That's my take. To me, as I said in my earlier video, 2025 trading result video, this year I will be focused on long-term trading. I won't be in and out short-term gains, right? Because I found it's not worthy for me. So that's just me, right? So I want to focus more on long-term trading. So I'm gonna just let it play out, whether it breaks or go up. In fact, if we go back up to 100, then it's a pretty good, silver, right? If we go above 100, right, then I may start selling. My target is 55, right? In future. Okay, let me remind my target, right? If it goes back to 100, here, right? This has been long-term resistance since 1980 and 2011 high, right? Silver broke out above it. And if it goes above $100, then my take is it's gonna retest this now support. Once resistance, now support, right? So I may do that, right? But my main focus is buying it here, right? If it falls up to here, near around, maybe I start buying 60, right? 60 toward 50, yeah, 55, right? I'm gonna scale in. That's my focus. But I may start selling if it goes above 100, right? Near 100. And nickel, same story, right? In fact, I don't even know how to short nickel, but I don't need that many trade anyway. So I'm gonna let it fall, right? If it, here, right? It's hard to see. Yeah, so if it start correction, I'm gonna wait it drop to this area, now support, used to be resistance, right? What is it, 15.9? Okay. Yeah, 15.900, 15.600, around that area, right? I'm gonna start buying here up to toward here. If I'm really lucky, nickel may drop here, right? This uptrend line, this important uptrend line that I mentioned in the previous video. So around this area, I'm gonna start buying this guy, CNC, right? Yeah. By the way, CNC has been performing really well, right? It went up over 60% this month. Yeah. I have a feeling this guy will be the big winner this year, right? So I'm gonna wait it pull back. There's a chance it pull back. It may pull back, right? If you look at this chart, CNC chart, it has bullish bet, right? And it reached first target, right? B point. Always B point is my always first target, right? And look at this guy, right? We have this bearish pattern, right? X, A, B, C, D. So bearish bet. So if I'm lucky, I may be able to buy here near 110, maybe $1. It also has a small uptrend line, right? So around here. If I'm really lucky, I may get it here, but we'll see. Yeah. Yeah. There's a good chance CNC may correct around here because this area is resistance, right? Where is my, okay. Here, right? Used to be resistance. support, resistance, 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 right? So this is a strong resistance area. Oops, sorry. So CNC will probably start correction here, around here. Of course, it can go up further, but let's see. Right? Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.